Don't forget to take out the trash when you're done playing ball, William.
Okay, Daddy. oh, my ball! Okay. Oh man, there goes my ball.
Hiya, William. Aren't you going to say hello? Oh, come on, little fella. I have a balloon for you down here. Would you like a balloon, William?
I'm not supposed to take things from strangers. My dad said so.
Oh, and very wise of your dad, William. Very wise indeed. Well, sorry, William, I am Pennywise the Dancing Clown. and you're William, right?
Yeah.
See? So you see, now we know each other.
I guess so. I should probably go now.
Go? Without this?
My ball!
Exactly. Come on. I'll give the ball back.
Have you been under my couch or something?
Oh, yes, William. I love it under here. See, there's cotton candy, rides, and all kinds of surprises down here. Ooh, and balloons, too. All the balloons, all the colors, the beautiful colors.
Do they float?
Yes, they float, William. They float. And when you're down here with me, you'll float down. Breaking news, okay? A child has been abducted from his home, making this now the 60th kid to have gone missing. In related news, it has now been several weeks, and the 60 missing children have not been found. Police are presuming the kids to be dead, and all searches will be called off. Okay? Triple bird casserole, my favorite! Oh yeah, this is gonna taste good when it's done. Woo-hoo-hoo! Man. What's up there? Oh, what do you want, Bonnie? What do you think you're doing to those birds? I'm making triple bird casserole, for dinner. You do realize this is not how you make a casserole. You just squished 3 birds into a pan. If you wanted to make a casserole, you gotta put in something much bigger. Like something like this pot. Ugh. You really think I gotta put the birds in there to make a casserole? Yep, that's how you make a casserole, Dak. Okay, is this even gonna fit in here? I don't know, just look, there should be a lot of space. Wait, ow! Ow! Oh, why'd you do that? What the? Man, looks like the pan tipped over, Derek. Man, gotta run. Oh, buddy! I can't believe that stupid rabbit let the birds out of the pan! Oh, we gotta catch them all over again. You know what? I'm done with cooking for today. Let's just put this stuff in. I'm going to bed. Stupid Bonnie ruining my casserole. Oh, now we have nothing for dinner. You know what? I'm just not going to stress over about it. Okay? I'm not even going to stress over it. I'm going to bed. Oh, stupid Bonnie. Ruining my stupid casserole. I can't believe it. No matter. It doesn't matter to me. Because now I'm going to go to bed. David. What? David. I haven't seen you in years. Vinny? My old boss? David, why did you leave the mob? You look at your life now. And you're an underpaid worker. Lives in a who's down on his luck. Barely makes enough to provide for himself. Vinny, how are you still alive? I thought you died in a car accident years ago. I just couldn't die without showing you my new weapon. And I'm going to claw you with it! What? No! Please, leave me alone! I told you I'd never work for the Mafia again! I'm not a criminal anymore! Please, don't hurt me. I promise I'll do better. What? A red balloon? Why would there be a balloon here? Who's making that laughing? Hiya, David. What are you? Who are you? I'm surprised you haven't heard of me. I'm all over the news after all. What? Do you think that's funny? Scaring me by pretending to be my old boss? What do you think you are? Well, David, I am Pennywise the Dancing Clown. And you're David, right? That's obvious, I know that! But how do you know my name? Look, just stay away from me! No! Oh. What's the matter, David? What? Was one balloon not enough? Well, how would you like a bunch? No! Get back! What was that thing? Why is it dropping balloons everywhere? If Bonnie hadn't ruined my castle, well, I probably wouldn't be in this situation. That made no sense. Okay. Breathe, Dave. Breathe. This has nothing to do with Bonnie. That clown wasn't even real. That clown wasn't even real. It was just a hallucination. Just a hallucination. I spent too much time near the oven. Yeah, that's what it is. The fumes from the oven must be causing me to hallucinate. Yeah. It was all an oven hallucination. Yeah. Well, I'm down here in the basement. So, maybe I just need to spend some time somewhere that's not near the oven. Man. Oh, man, but... yeah, let's go to sleep. Okay, I can't sleep with these lights on. I'm gonna go turn off the... Sup? Skeleton hipsters! No! No! No, please! Please, no! Why? Why me? Just leave me alone! Oh no! No! Not this again! It wasn't a hallucination! It wasn't a hallucination! Please, no! It can't be! It can't be! But it can! No! Oh, man, I hate this job! Why did I think getting this job would be a good idea? I'm being chased by an evil clown. Why did I even choose this job? I should have listened to my mommy. Mommy. Wow, what a baby. What you want, Foxy? I heard a little girl screaming and I came right over, okay? I was Usain Bolt. I heard the screams of a little girl and I came right over only to find that it was you with the red balloon. Ah! What's the matter anyway? I'm being chased by an evil clown. An evil clown. Okay, David, this is serious. Do not leave out any details. Describe everything about him. Eye color, hair color, everything. Let's see, well, he had a really big forehead. He had red hair. A white dress and he threw red balloons at me. That wasn't any clown. That was it. Who's it? Once every 27 years, it would come out to terrorize everybody. It does this by turning into the thing that its victim it's most afraid of. Then, once they're fully terrorized, he eats them alive. And then he goes back into hibernation, only to come back after another 27 years have passed.
What? No! No, I don't want him in it. Oh God. I never thought I'd see the day where he'd show up again. Again? Foxy, I didn't even know about him! It was a long time ago. Back when I was still a child. Before, of course, Purple Guy killed me and stuffed me in this fox suit. Oh no! Please don't die, Davy! You're too beautiful! Foxy, you gotta help me! What am I going to do? Maybe you should talk to the Puppet and Golden Freddy. I'm sure they'll know what to do. Foxy's right! I'll get the Puppet and Golden Freddy. Yeah, I'm getting the Puppet and Golden Freddy. And so, guys, that's what happened. Oh my God, Puppet, do you know what this means? Yes, I do. That if we don't do something quick, that clown's going to terrorize everyone. Okay, we're going to have to think of a plan to stop him, but how? But what are we going to do? I don't know. He's been terrorizing me all day. He turned into my former boss, and then he turned into a skeleton hipster. Well, I could think of something even scarier than those things. Wait, what? Springtrap. What evil scheme have you concocted this time? Yeah, why are you even here? I thought you followed Monkey and Jonah to Puerto Rico. Well, we weren't gonna let them have all the fun. Yep. So we decided to come here. But Bendy? What are you doing working together? I thought you hated each other. Not anymore. I never thought I'd see the day that those two would become friends. And that's not all. We got some new friends to add to the pack. Really? Who? Hey guys, why don't you come up and introduce yourselves? Gladly. What the? What? Who are they? I don't know. I haven't seen them around before. Well, Bonsai. What do we have here? I don't know, Shenzi. What do you think, Ed? Ooh, that's just what I was thinking. A full course buffet. You wouldn't want to eat me. I'm full of rabbit turds. Yeah, I'm full of rabbit turds. And I think I might have caught a very bad cold. Nice try. We get those excuses all the time. So, boys, what do you say we dig in? Not without me, you're not. What? Huh? That's him! That's him! Oh, yep, that's definitely it. We're in trouble. Now, just who do you think you is, coming up ruining our meal? If you must know, Shenzi, I was actually here first. Who are you? And how do you know my name? I know everyone. You're Shenzi, you're Bonsai, you're Ed, You're Bendy and you're Springtrap. And you are Pennywise the Dancing Clown. I like the clown. I like him too, Bendy. How would you like to join our gang? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah! That would be just great. As long as we still get to eat them. Uh-oh. So, you all work together? You're a team now? Call us the Legion of Doom. Isn't there already a Legion of Doom? We're bad guys. If we want a name, we take it. Whatever. Just leave us alone. Get out of here. Not so fast. We're leaving after dinner. Yeah, our dinner. What you say, Dad? What are we going to do? I don't know. Me neither. Well, save some room for me. What was that? Did you miss me? Junior? Yeah. I bet you're glad to see us, huh, David? Oh, I can't believe I'm saying this, but yes. And Junior Forearms is looking better than when we last saw him. I know. I'm especially excited about the tattoos. Anyway, step aside. We got this. Oh, God. Uh-oh. What the... Oh, my God. Since when can the brat turn into a jock? Uh-oh. Uh-oh is right. Yeah. No. What the? Hey, put me down. Is it invasion of my privacy? Whoa. No, please. I didn't even get a bite. Victory is ours. Ah! Oh man, thanks guys. Whew. That clown was driving me crazy, you have no idea. Well, whatever, David. Now go to sleep. You gotta get back to work tomorrow. If I go to the bathroom and see you didn't scrub the toilet, I'm gonna have to dock your pay all the way to the end of the earth. Whatever, monkey. What? David, what's that in your pocket? Ah!